Good morning. We're here to feed these feral cats. This is my house, and these feral cats are entering from that little door right over there. I'm taking care of them. There's a few of them that I can touch, but not very many. Here's the food. Okay, I've mixed up some canned food, as you can see. It's on the floor. I'm throwing it away. And these are the bowls that we're gonna feed the little kitties with. Yes, sir. That's right. And they each get a little bowl. That's right. And I try to get them all a bowl. So I got plenty of bowls. Looks like I need one more. We got it right here. Don't worry about that, people. Okay, so I'm headed out to feed the kitties that live in the garage out here. Yes, sir. That's right, huh? Yes. Okay, now you're not going to be able to see me out here, so I'm just going to fill these bowls up real quick. Yes, I am. Now the raccoons, they come out here, they do a real good job of cleaning this place up. I just want you guys to know that. Yeah, they do a real good job of cleaning this place up. Yes, they do. Okay, guys, just let me get this water. We have a little bit in here, so I'm going to fill up a little bit. Okay, let's go grab us some water. Yeah, it's pretty chilly outside. Oh. Okay. Yeah. There must have been enough cat food outside yesterday. Just saying, because they didn't seem to hit that back room bowl like it was hit, but there was still some left. Okay, now I'm back out here in the garage. We're gonna fill up these bowls of water. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. That's got the little kitties fed out here. Okay. Closing up shop there. We still gotta feed the birdies. So I'm headed on out. Like I said, it's been cold. It's been cold here lately. Yesterday was 50 for a high. It's horrible. My little ducks are out here. Wait until you see this. Yeah, I have some ducks out here that's been coming around for I don't know how many years. And I'm gonna give them some food. So if you just stay with me, I'll show you. Patchy! Patchy, leave them ducks alone. See them? Fucking cat of mine. Tried to eat those birds. Come on, Patch. Come on. I got the Chevelle all washed yesterday. Check her out. Looking sharp. Looking sharp. Just about to install a stereo in there. There was one in there at one point, and I think somebody broke into the car. Patchy, get over here! Hold on. Stupid cat. Knock it off. The heater actually for the first time just kicked on. That's pretty chilly. So it's below 64 in here. Okay, people, believe it or not, I took the time to make me some coffee. Yeah, I did. Yes, I did. I still got the little kitties to feed downstairs. So don't think for 1 minute I'm done. But I'm getting pretty close. Holy Hannah. Yes, ma'am. This is just some Splenda. It's not sugar, guys. It's just sweetener. I haven't had sugar since March 17th last year. That was my last. That's what my last go around was. March 17th. Okay, so I got the magpies fed. Okay, I got the magpies fed. I've got the kitties all fed. I guess that I'm going to let you all go. I'll still feed my little kitties. That little cat right there, her name's Dora. Her was the bravest one out of the whole litter. She's a female too. She'd come out and go way, way, way past where she would. She's been a favorite of mine. Yes, she is, huh? Yes, sir. Last year, and I got that sickness. Dora got sick, and she was laying in a pile of cats that were gonna die, and she pulled herself up and saved herself. Yes, she did. And she's a favorite one of my cats. Yes, her name's Dora. She has a bent tail, so when she walks, she puts her tail right across her back. It's pretty neat. Yes, huh? Yep, and this is my lady right there. Yes, her is. Yes, her is. Oh, and I hold her tight. Yes, I do. She likes affection. Okay, people. We'll see you. Peace, man. Have a good Sunday. It's God's day.